Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to do returns on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right corner of the screen and go to My Orders section. Here find order that you want to return and tap on it to open its details. And find button Returns and Refunds. So now your screen should look like this. First of all, you should answer a few questions, and the first question is, did you receive your item? And the answer should be yes. Next question is, do you want to return your item? And select yes option as well. Next, you have to provide a reason why basically you request your return. So tap this arrow and you will see a list of reasons. So pick one reason that best describes your situation. Tap continue button, and here you should indicate your refund amount. Of course, if you want to have your refund, tap continue, and here you should confirm your return method. There are two methods available, and the first one is AliExpress free return service, and second method is self drop-off. So think about it and decide for yourself which method will work out better, and tap it to select one method. Tap continue button, and here in this box you can provide more information about your situation. So in a few sentences you can explain to seller what basically happened and why exactly you don't want your item, or maybe what's wrong with it. So describe your issue. And here you can upload your photo, video or screenshot as a proof for the seller. And of course, do not forget to submit your request. Usually requests are being processed within a few days, so you should wait a little bit. And after your request is approved, make sure that you go to AliExpress back and find your unique free return label. So to do that, you need to go to your orders, then find order that you want to return, tap on it and go to dispute page, and there you should see your return label. But pay attention that you have only 5 days to do that, and if you miss this deadline, your case will be closed and you will be no longer able to reopen that dispute. So download that label and print it out. Then you should carefully pack your parcel and stick your label to it. Then after receiving your label, you have 15 days to drop off your parcel at the nearest post office, and basically wait until your package is delivered to the seller back. So that were the main points how to do returns on AliExpress, but if you still have some questions, I can give you some more instructions. So you can find them by going to random item on your home page, like literally any item that you see. Then scroll down to section free returns, tap learn more button, scroll down to section free returns right here, and now you have it. So here you can see step-by-step instruction how to make a return, and also some additional information about your return, and also information about refunds. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.